Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with a Rusty Blades YouTube barber. Today I'm going to be having a look inside this package what I had kindly sent from Matty on Instagram. He is an ambassador for Bluebeard's Revenge and he works at headquarters up in Middlesbrough. So it's a really nice establishment. I did actually go there and have my hair cut by him. He did a sterling job. So I will leave a card up in the top corner so you can go check that out. And also I'll leave his handle here for Instagram so you can go drop him a follow. Really nice guy, put some really good footage out there on Instagram and some funny ones as well. I will leave a link down below for all the products and the website to the Bluebeard's Revenge. I'm sure if you get in touch with Matty, he'll have a discount code and he maybe even be able to help you out. So let's stop messing about, let's get cracked on and see what's in the box. Right, this is the box, what he sent me. Let's have a look inside and see what there is. There is a few things in here, and everything that I do show on here, I will link down below, or I will leave a link for Bluebeard's Revenge. The first thing is, there's a beanie hat in there, the Bluebeard's Revenge beanie. I do really like that. I probably will use it in the winter time, keep these jug lugs actually a little bit warmer. A spray bottle, it's quite cool. Nice little bottle there. We've got, you see, I really like this because the other one that I had, the vent brush, but this is a vent brush from them as well. I do really like that. I like the wood. I really like wood handle brushes and things like that. I just think they look really nice. So that's a vent brush, so I can chuck my other one away because it is a bit shit. This is the Quiff roller brush, again in the wood. See if it works on that Quiff here. Don't really like that. I like the little engraving as well, what they put on there. The Bluebeard's Revenge straight razor. I will take that out in a second, we'll have a look at that. There's a sticker pack, what he sent, which will go nice because around my mirror I am putting stickers, so I'll stick those on there. And last but not least, there is the Bluebeard's Revenge salt spray. I haven't even opened this, so I can have a smell. And that does smell really nice, I like that. A light hold and low shine, so you're not your hair ain't all gonna be stuck up to shine. It will be quite pliable, and salt spray is one of my favourite products to use, if I'm to be honest. I prefer using salt spray other than like your clays and that, but you can use the salt spray and then put a little bit of matte clay in there as well just to finish it. This is the Bluebeard's Revenge straight razor. Get into it. It comes in a little plastic wallet that just slides out. That's your Bluebeard's Revenge straight razor. It does just slide open and you pop those out there, put your razor in. I just sliced my face off there. But anyway, so again, this was just a little unboxing. I'd like to thank Matty for sending me these products over. And if you want to go follow him as well, I'll leave it in the bottom on Instagram. I've been Steve. This has been another short little video. I know I haven't been getting many videos out lately, but I have had a lot on my plate. But they are going to start coming in a little bit more regular. And if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.